We have our moist supreme cake going in, the white cake. And now we're gonna add about 10 ounces of strawberry cola, a little strawberry Fanta. And we're just gonna give this a good mix and get it all nice incorporated. We're making our nice Valentine's inspired lover's cake. All right, nice and mixed in. It's gonna be nice and light and fluffy. I was gonna say just like your boy, but I am not light, but I am fluffy, baby. Our cake is ready to go in the oven. We're gonna do it for about 35 minutes. We'll do a little cake tester to make sure it's cooked all the way through, but it's that simple. I'll see you in a second. All right, while that's in the oven, we got a little tub here of extra creamy Cool Whip. We're gonna add a little color to it. Whoops. Just a couple drops of just some regular red food coloring. And then we'll just give it a little mix in there. We're gonna turn our Cool Whip pink for the top of this little poke cake that we made. All right, we got a nice little light pink going on. Perfect. This way, when we put our little sprinkles on, the sprinkles will show through real nice, but we'll still have a nice light pink whipped creamy topping. I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the fridge. Let that chill out while we're waiting for the cake to finish. Pink strawberry cake is done. We're gonna use a little chopstick, poke a few holes in, do as many or as little as you'd like. That looks like a good amount right there. And we got a little strawberry jello that I've melted. And honestly, I didn't have any extra like box jello around, so I stole some of the kids' jello, melted it down. And we're just gonna pour those into the little holes. So we got a nice strawberry filled cake right here. Beautiful color, beautiful flavor. Let it soak in. Now we didn't forget about our pink Cool Whip, did we? Get that on there. A couple little spoonfuls. And just smooth it on out, baby. All right, last but not least, we got a little Valentine sprinkle mix in there. I'm gonna give them a shake, and then we'll shake some on. Just fun little shapes, just bouncing everywhere. Isn't that something special? Little lips on there. What the heck? Some crazy stuff. It's amazing what Mrs. CJ will find at Home Goods. All right, y'all, we're gonna get this in the fridge and we're gonna give it, 2 or 3 hours just to set up in there, completely cool down, and then we'll cut into it and give it a try. We've let this cake chill out in the fridge for a bit. Let's go ahead and get a slice. Look at that goodness right there. Light, fluffy, airy cake. That's what that strawberry soda does for you. We got our strawberry poke cake, our sweetheart's cake, if you will. Let's get a bite. What do you say? Got that crunchy topping on top. No sprinkles. No candied lips. All those good strawberry flavors running through there. Moist, delicious cake. Guys, make this for your sweetheart this Valentine's Day. Because you know it's good, baby.